Be Fun TV.
Down in the park on a sunny day, Kitty saw Bunny who wanted to play. She said, "Come along, I've got a plan." And off they skipped, hand in hand. Carrot soap, bubbly and bright, orange and sweet, a soapy delight. Made with love in Kitty's pot. Let's get clean, ready or not. Kitty filled the tub with spray. Splish splash water, hooray, hooray. Bunny giggled, "It's a bath for me." Kitty smiled, "Just wait and see." Snip, 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 the carrots flew into the pot with a bubbly brew. A swirl and a spin, a magical hop. Out came bars of carrot soap. Carrot soap, bubbly and bright, orange and sweet, a soapy delight. Made with love in Kitty's pot. Let's get clean, ready or not. Bunny took a bite, yum, not bad. Kitty laughed, "You're silly, lad." They munched and giggled, and with a yawn they cuddled up and slept till dawn. So if you see a cat one day with carrot soap and a bunny at play, just smile and wave and softly sing of carrot soap and cuddling Winkle.